Morning, Alfie.
Morning.
Right, look at this, what he's got for the DJI. So he can wander around. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. How's it go?
I'm not too sure, to be completely honest with you.
Wait, undo it. Slacken it. Put that through the hole. Slacken it.
Yeah, I am. It's tight,
tighten it. Oh.
Whoa.
Oh.
Check what's out.
Is that good? Right, Alfie. Today we are working on 3 special cars. This one, which is a Toyota Sarah.
It's following you.
We're doing window motors and door locks. This is it looking there. And then today we are working on an MG Midget. And then,
hands-free.
look at this. Come on.
I can do whatever I want. What toss?
Look at Ace's smiling face. Come on. Come on, Alfie. Look at my smiling. Come this way.
Did you hear Mosey then? He went, look at my smiley face. Now that
Working on a Jag, mate.
is a proper car.
Look at that there. Oh, anyway, what we're going to do on this Alfie is
Are the windows open?
quarter lights.
Oh, mate.
We're going to work on that. We're going to work on the MG, and we're going to work on the Sarah.
That's sick.
Say see you later.
See you later.
Little Alf dog. Butty man out there, richest man in town. So I've been charging this little beauty up this morning.
I'm recording you now, so be careful.
Don't swear at me.
Ew.
Right. So what's this in for, Alfie? MOT.
MOT.
Well, it's MOT exempt. Right, choke. Whoosh. Probably been sat in storage for years.
Oh, she sounds beautiful, mate.
Neutral. Light. Indicator. It's a beauty. The side lights on. Dip beam. I don't know what that is. What's that one? Illuminates very well.
It looks like a toy car, especially with you in it.
Yeah, we have dash lights.
Wipers, mate. Oh, mate.
I love it. You know what? They call this an MG Midget, right? It's massive. Look at proper light. Never chosen it.
Oh, you ruined it.
Ruined it. Get it warm, get the choke off. Oh, mate, it smells so good. It does smell good.
He looks bad in it, doesn't he?
Oh,
He's putting his hat on.
Push down in the middle at the front, right in the centre.
There you go.
That's really nice. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. So this is for Jack's for all. 11 grand. What can you get for 11 grand now? You can get a 207 with a wet belt. What's the face for? The main beam working.
What are you fiddling with down there?
I'm sorry,
mate?
right, I'll show you. Right. Come on, I'll show you. Come here. Right, let me get me, Bob. Right, I'll show you what we're fiddling with. Right, so at the back of here, you got your main beam. Telltale. Oh, there, it works. Main beam telltale light, because it wasn't working. Hold it up a bit. Just go down. Oh wait.
It's already on
Zoom in.
The little blue light.
Right. Oh, it's got an earth problem on just on that bit. Look. Eesh. Come on. It was working a second ago. I just turned the ignition off. Right, so I need to get that working. When you get in these, you're supposed to put the choke on, drive, and as you drive, it warms up, and then you take your choke off. There you go, telltale main beam. Sorry.
There you
Look,
go.
what's it? Beep, beep. Right, indicators. So, what's in front of me?
Nothing. Yeah.
There you go. Right, so.
Get out of the weird camera, mate.
Beauty, innit?
Beauty, mate. Proper.
Handbrake's got enough clicks. One of them. Heaters.
Cool car. Very cool car. Cool car, man.
That might be washers.
What's...
I think that might be washers. I'm going to have to go and have a look. Because there's no washer pump. Sound. What's up, Kate?
Hey? I was going to say, what's the other one in front?
The Jag. Pouring in.
I think
Kangol.
I didn't know that they did seatbelts.
Kangol do
I thought it was just hats.
No, yes. Doing hats.
Yeah.
Kangol do hats, yes.
Yeah.
You also do seatbelts.
Mad. Learn something new every day.
Get this roof down enough. That bit in there. This bit. Have it.
That'd be right.
Go in the moment. So I'll do a pre-inspection just in case. Seatbelt slightly free in there.
Is it alright if I have my lunch now?
Have your lunch.
Yeah. I'm supposed to be on my lunch. Filming you.
Go on, have your dinner.
Thanks, love.
Oosh. Right, let's have a look in the boot. Fuel pipes, everything in the back, mint, floors, mint. It's had a proper nice restoration. Spare wheels flat. I'll put some air in that in a minute. Ush. It's an heavy old bit of tin, that. So, you stay in there, Cade. You stay there. Right. So, where's Alfie gone? Hey up, Alfie. Right. Because I'm really, really good and I'm hoard stuff, the washers aren't working. So, if he presses the button, nothing. So I went in here, went in my big drawer, and I keep all my spare washer pumps in the bottom, etc. And I've got one of them with the same connectors. So what I've done is, oh, drop that down a bit. No, what's that there? Think, drop that down. There's a put this on here. Press it down. Whoosh. Then I put this off here. The bloody pipes have gone hard. Pipes have gone hard. I'm gonna have to move my camera so I can get working. I'll pull the pipes off, etc. Actually, I might just put my bloody pipes on. I'll see how I go. Let you know. Can it? Pure diag me, mate. So.
They proper smell.
They don't smell. Right, you can't do this without soaking the whole bloody thing. So, look at them now.
Proper.
Love it. We're going to stick a pair of wiper blades on it because they're proper toast.
Proper toast.
We've got to check the clutch. We'll do an inspection, a pre-MOT inspection, and then once we've found a defect list, if there's any more defects, we'll jump on them and...
I need a poo.
You're recording?
Yeah?
Right. So, get it up in the air. Let's go. I'll go and put my shoes on. Is that my thingy?
There you go, you can have the head.
Help me,
Oh, I proper rinsed it. Me and Cade. It's
That's
gone.
my advent calendar, what I've been saving.
Yeah, it's gone that.
Anyway.
Oh, that is gorgeous.
DDM
DDM.
is uploading. For me, KTS, which is here. And then I've got this, look at this.
Oh, it's good, this.
What is this? I don't know how to work it. I've got this little old beauty, look at that.
Oh, Angry Jester one.
Oh, Angry Beaver one. Right.
Can you say that on YouTube?
Yes, it's a TV programme.
No.
Right.
After that short interruption.
Short interruption.
I can't even see it.
Brake pads are like 12mm thick, they're brand new. This car, have a look.
Is mint.
This car is absolutely spotless. It's had a full nut and bolt build. You don't get, I mean, a bit of flaky paint here. Do you see that? There's a bit of flaky tiny paint. But that does a bit of treatment on that. I feel guilty not just putting some spray grease on it.
Oh, it's not the original paint, this is it?
No?
No.
No. No. No. Look at this trunnion setup.
I don't even know what that is.
Right.
What?
Can I try and describe? Can I
The
describe?
track rod end. So do it over here.
It's where it goes. Yeah, but don't forget, when the wheel suspension's down, it's straight.
Oh, yeah.
Look at it. It's mint. I love it. Why am I on my knees? I should be stood up walking around. Rush!
Because it's only up halfway.
Wheel bearing. Good. Right, what have we got this side, Alfie?
Probably the exact same, just on the back.
Mint. Absolutely.
Mint.
Solid. Bit of a bind going, tiny bit of bind on the brakes.
Bit sticky.
Good. I've got dirty hands.
Oh, no.
Oh. Back up.
Back up.
MOT.
What?
Seals okay.
Smells lovely.
Just don't smell petrol.
It does smell nice though.
It does smell. Do you know what I love petrol?
Yeah.
Because I'm a true petrol head.
You're a summer head, but it ain't petrol.
You're not allowed to be offensive to me. Tyres are old, 2008.
2008.
It's just been stud.
Surprised they're not cracked.
Continentals don't crack.
Won't crack. Contis, mate. Next one.
Same again. Any
yeah.
wheel arches, all mint, spotless, dry, clean.
That is gorgeous.
There's no actual play. Look. Because if I move it a tiny bit, the steering wheel's moving. Go on. So if I do that, look, video it.
Oh, video it.
I don't know if you can see it. So there's actually no play. It's just
Straight turning.
straight action, mate.
Get straight to action. No messing.
And do you know why we're doing a pre-MOT first?
Why?
Other than your... Stop. Other than it's nice to inspect it first, so if we know any bits, we can just, instead of failing it and giving it...
Fix it before the MOT.
Fix it before the MOT and it'll have a clean MOT. It's like the washers. I put a new washer pump on, there's no point putting it through an MOT and then failing it on washers.
I like how you just had that.
What?
the washer pump.
Yeah, well, that's because I'm Right, send her up. Right. Also, so it'll have a clean MOT. Great. Brilliant. You're not allowed to record an MOT. You're not allowed to physically record an MOT, it says.
Good thing this isn't an MOT then.
Yeah, exactly. So the time and date, if anyone wants to check on MOTs, is, how tall do you think I am? Is 26th of Feb at 1:09. Right, so we've got, they're all good, it's all good. Touch this, feel this. The whole car is absolutely beautiful. The steering wheel, anti-roll bar links, checkered ends, the trunnions. I built these. I didn't build these, but I built vehicles, restored vehicles with these on.
Yeah.
Brake flex is okay. Brake pipes are brand new.
Where's it? Oh, here's a gearbox.
There's a clutch slave. Sorry.
Slave.
Pads. Let's get. That someone's jacked it up on there.
What a sausage.
Someone's jacked it up on here.
Sausage.
Jack wants me, so I'll just hang fire. You can see where all the sills have been welded. Really clean welding. Floor pan is brand new.
Mint.
Inside the pockets here to the back of the seats. That's good. New fuel pump on it. That's a shock absorber type thing. You've got your straps so your axle doesn't fall down. The levers, cable. It's good. I don't know that. Ow!
Ooh.
Put an hole in me. Exhaust is mint. I tell you what,
It's got a VAG clamp on it.
a what?
A VAG clamp
Where?
on the exhaust.
It might not be a bag. No.
Are you sure?
Oh my god. Why has it got a VW on? Right, throw it in the bin. PD, mate.
PD, mate.
Slight weeping from the rear gearbox seal.
It's a bit sad, it's crying.
What I could do is looking in there, so I need you to get ladders,
Ladders.
which are
Not here.
they're over there next to the thingy.
Oh.
Right, I'm going to carry on with my inspection. We're going to get you in. We're going to get you pressing the clutch. Actually, just send it down. I don't want you struggling. I don't struggle. No swearing, Alfie.
Swearing.
No, you can't. You can't get steel cap boots in there. Oh, my foot breaking me. Right, sending them up. Checking the clutch. I mean, these tyres are brand new, but they're 2008, so they're not brand new. See ya. Right, Alfie boy. What I want you to do is press your clutch. And off. On again. Oops. And off. On again. Boot locked.
Yeah.
Press play.
Yeah, I did it.
Right. So, are you on?
Oh, we're
Why do
on.
you turn the camera on so we can see both of us?
Because the roof's down, my hair's going to go up and everyone's going to see my forehead.
It's a really big forehead. It's a pretty
I
one.
know.
I love this.
Yeah, proper.
Where's he going? Mirrors are pretty useless in this car. I'm trying
Just
to
see the sky.
There you go. I've got a vehicle behind me. It drives really, really smoothly. I'm not going to put the wipers on because it's smearing too much. Gearbox is nice. It feels a little bit misfirey. It could do with probably dizzy cap leads and stuff like that. Cap and rotor. I hope the sound comes out quite good. Because it is windy in here, isn't it, Alfie?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, first time I encountered a clutch being stuck to a flywheel was in 1999, around that year. And the guy just said, listen, I'm just going to have to drive it. And I'm like, oh, what's that mean? I'm just going to have to drive it. I'm like, changes gear nice. Second, it might be good. do have a really good tune-up. I say that quite a lot on these classics. But they say this is for sale for Jacks for all. Let's see if I can get it up there. Clutch is disengaged. Nice. Nice, that's good that. Wrong one. There you go. So, clutch works, washers work, blah de blah de blah. Put the roof up in a minute. No, actually, we'll run it in next door.
Yeah.
We'll build a set of wipers up. You can watch me how I show you how to do that. Unless we can get a classic set, we're just fixing the blades on them. You'd be quite surprised at my skill level.
Well, as I always say, name is not on the door for no reason.
Oh no!
Oh, bloody lovely.
Oh, bloody lovely! And we'll get the wiper sorted. We'll put an MOT on it. Look at that! We fixed something. We fixed something, boys.
Oh.
Hey, that is absolutely brilliant. Check his back lights, please, Twig.
Right.
In their side.
Left.
Offside.
Right.
Side lights.
Side.
Perfect.
Two number plates.
What?
Two number plate back.
They work as well.
Yeah.
I can't get out. Why? Oh, because my arms don't move properly. Thanks, everyone. I'm gonna go and MOT it. Well, no, I'm fitting the wipers, aren't I?
And then we got the jag.
And then we got the jag.
The jag.
That doesn't run well.
Does it not?
No.
But it will after we're done.
I'm gonna do tune-up.
Tune-up meat. Right, bye guys. Wait. Oh, that was quite funny to watch.
Got a wiper blade. Watch this. Pull that off there. Pull that off there. And get that off there. What's that for? Hold your knife, mate. Right, so. I feel my phone ring. No.
Oh.
Right, so
Hallucinations.
we want that out there. Actually, pop out.
Circle place.
Oh, whoosh! Took that bit of skin off.
Suck it.
Not bleeding, no. It's a big, thick piece of skin, that.
Big thick piece of skin.
Where is it? It's in there somewhere. Little monkey, isn't it? Right, let me slide this out. Whoosh! Then we get this, and we'll pull it out of here. Because to get some of these, you'd be probably waiting 4 days from coming the bloody post.
Can I do that? Proper mechanic.
My thumb's sore.
Oh. Pudding.
Thanks for your concern, Alfie.
It's alright.
There you go.
Check that out.
There you go. Get this little monkey. And there. Oh,
Oh.
quite a bit thicker there. Seeing the ends.
Yeah.
Right there.
Wait there one moment. So. He's not really far away, that's just his normal size. Danny. It's a little man. It's a little man.
Alfie.
Don't know, you tell me.
Oh, it's a bit better. See,
Let's
the
see.
thing is, I just love taking stuff apart. I wonder if I do this, I'll hurt myself.
Again.
Whoa. I can't do it to myself anymore. See if this. Worst case scenario, we'll build all the rest of the old wipers up. That's better.
That's better. Okay.
So, where's your knife, please?
Cool knife, that. Expensive knife, that.
Yeah, you do like to buy an expensive knife.
Probably a bit too expensive. But
Well,
we make mistakes, that's life.
you needed a new knife. You got a new knife. It's a very sharp knife. Be careful with it.
Snap on knife.
Twiggy talking to himself? Is that it? Alfie, look.
Have you done something?
I found
He's found.
a way in.
Do you want a bed? Oh, no. No.
What are you saying?
I was going to say, do you want a bit of WD, but it's just going to smear it all over.
You're clever lad, you, aren't you?
Yes.
No, then. We're halfway. Do you know I've not been creating a lot of content?
I know.
I've,
He's got a puppy.
do you know what? I've been tired. I've got a puppy that's been bloody crying all night in its cage. And then we've got to train it because what we want to do is make sure it can be left on its own because when we go on holiday for 3 weeks, it's got to fend for itself. No. But when we go out for a few hours on an afternoon, the puppy's got to understand that it's going to be on its own every now and then. And it can't be dependent on us being there all the time. So we're trying to have it sleep in its cage. And I tell you what, it yelps at night. Poor little thing. I feel so sorry for it. I was going to call it Lumpy. Sam didn't let me.
Lumpy.
And Toby was going to call it like Galaxy Destroyer. So we all had to put names, 3 names each, into a bowl. And we picked it out. And one of the names I chose was Bella. So she's called Bella.
Oh, I thought you were going to say the full thing then. The full name.
No.
No.
So,
That's a nice name. That's a nice dog.
lovely dog.
Lovely
Did you see her the
dog.
other day?
Yeah.
She's lovely. Nearly there, Alfie. Look, we got like.
Oh.
Go close, that is.
It's very close.
So close.
And then we've got to do it again.
Yeah, but that's still on the window.
Yeah.
So we're going to have to take the arm off. I need my glasses, you know. It's taking me ages to focus. There you go. Are you happy with that?
It's alright, just get some jam
Is
jars
that you got a
and
good
then-
focus on it?
Should be. There you go. Oh, pour that on your chips.
And I've only cut myself. I didn't even cut. It's gone now.
It's gone now.
Slide this in. One's there. One's there. One's there. Slide it in. See, new young technicians,
Don't know that stuff.
they don't know. They're not taught to find a solution. They're like, oh, can't fix it. You can fix it. Let's believe. Don't go pointing.
And point.
It's rude.
I'll stretch my thumb.
Well, no, you got to find a solution. And I've just folded the tab back over. Easy.
Yes.
So that's in there. That's in there.
And that.
Is how you build a wiper. That's could be the name.
That could be the name.
Right, wait, let's get a camera of us. Can you get it in? Is this our thumbnail? Get in!
Oh, well, I'm trying to get it so you can see the image.
There. Oh, wait. Wait, there. Is that going to be our thumbnail? Loads of light on it. Where are you? Get in.
I'm here. Oh, you've
There.
got small arms, you.
I've got really small arms. There, look.
T-Rex.
Not a T-Rex! Right, I'll do the other wiper. I'm a T-Rex. Hey!
Got to do a little write-up for the beautiful MG, and then we're on the Mark II.